Hello friends, hello people, hello everybody. I'm gonna try to talk a bit about some things that I think they are really important about. Let's start with the last documentary of Dr. Stephen Greer, The Cosmic Hoax, which is a bit, kind of a review of the last films he made, confirming the lies of the lies that we have and we know about that the aliens try to do bad things and whatever, and they are bad entities and they kidnap and do experiment on us. That's all bullshit, man. That's all bullshit. I'm a CE-5'er and I'm doing CE-5 for I think 4 or 5 years already. Time is passing by pretty quickly now. I want to say something to maybe it gets this message to Dr. Stephen Greer. He should not despair because, the impression that I had in the last movie is that we are really in the last moments of the fake invasion. So a lot of us, they do know, we know about this, and we are doing our best to build up groups. We kind of successfully light up some minds, some curious minds that they know, that they now have, they have the confirmation that there is life outside the universe. We had CE-5 together. The plan is we're gonna try to build a CE-5 video podcast, a weekly CE-5 podcast, and we will invite different CE-5'ers to talk about their experiences and what it was before, how it was before and how it is now, the differences of the mindset and the possibilities now that they have in their head to process all the information and achieve their success in their own way. Because I do think once you have realized that you have a contact with this galactic community, with the CE-5, I mean, you can, that's telepathically. So what stops you to advance in your own dreams, in your own pursuit of happiness? I mean, if you are able to have contact with these entities by telepathy, by only your thoughts, it's just mind-blowing, it's amazing. Being able to interact with those entities from so distant, from different galaxies, it has to be meaningful. I mean, when you do CE-5, it has to mean something for you. Otherwise, you're floating here and there, trying to make contact. But when you do the CE-5, it has to mean really something for you. I did it a couple of times, and it got more and more advanced. That's why now I'm pursuing my own way of success in so many domains. First of all, I'm gonna try. What I'm gonna do is develop my hobby. So CE-5 is one of my hobbies. It's amazing how it got to this, because it's a long journey of a few years. But reading the right books, having the right training, I kind of had luck, I think. And now I'm gonna try to do a weekly podcast with different CE-5'ers, with their experiences. It will be free, I presume. It will be there on YouTube, on Facebook. We will go live on Facebook and on YouTube. We will try to do live CE-5 events outside. We have some different cameras, video recorder cameras, on night vision, and so on. Still, I have to process some images, so we have an idea what to expect. I mean, we didn't spot yet nothing because I have the cameras. I didn't bought them a long time ago. Been busy lately. I've been reading one book. I finished today, and I said today I'm gonna try to put this out. So, thing is, a lot of people are doing the CE5, and I encourage you to do it also. I believe it's for your own good, because when shit is gonna come down, I think it will be very important for you to have the right information to take the right decision, because things are preparing without us knowing it, and you need to have the right information before all this fake invasion hoax comes down. It will happen, because they say either way we have to acknowledge it somehow, that is a threat out of space. Well, that's another topic we can talk about. Different races, bad races, good races, most of them, they are benevolent. We will not enter in too much of the threat of the space, because I don't know any of it. All the CE5 I've done until now, it all have been peaceful, and it opened up my mind, and I'm continuously advancing in this knowledge, and I cannot stop. It's so amazing stuff, and when you discover all that stuff, I mean, you just want more and more, and it's like water on the desert, and it's all what you need. Okay, well, so this is one small video of many yet to come. I think I will try to do my best and not to, to do it good. I'll try to build even a challenge if it goes to there. I think it's possible to build a challenge, because it's quite easy for me to do a CE5, and with the right tactics I can try to arrange the protocols in different videos with the message at the end. Okay, so you can transmit the message as I do, and hope for the best. I really hope it will work for you. I'm here to put a lot of work for the CE5, because it's something that I'm passionate about. I really like this challenge. It's a life challenge thing. So stay put for the next videos, and thank you, Dr. Stephen Greer, for all the work that you have done. You've trained a lot of us, and we are now the pioneers of the real disclosure, the new renaissance of Earth. So people, stay put, keep in touch, and all the best. Keep safe, stay strong, and see you soon. Bye.